TLI Project Workshop Images. Breaking up projects into smaller, manageable pieces will help you stay on track and help you with time management. Thus, you can avoid the last-minute rush of turning in work the night it's due, which diminishes the quality of your work. Part 1, individually. Select 10 images for the 10 Little Indians project, link here, that relate to the short story, theme, and quotes you chose. Use Google search for images. Submit your images along with the corresponding quotes. Remember to note the link of each image, as you will need to use these in your presentation's works cited list. Example, MLA format link. For more information, include the title of image and website link. There is the image here, and it's called A Powwow with Cheyennes. So A Powwow with Cheyennes, which is linked. So you'll insert the link here, how you might ask. So you will type the image title, then highlight the image title, click on the paperclip on the toolbar above, select external link from the drop-down menu, copy and paste the link in the box, click Done. Part 2, Peer Review. You will be assigned 2 classmates to review their images and quotes. Provide feedback, written 2+ sentences, audio 1 minute on the following. If the quotes fit with the theme of the short story selected, if the images represent the quotes selected, if the images are formatted correctly using MLA, point to any issues but do not correct them, as this will be done by the student. Note, review the score rubric for this assignment prior to submitting. And here is the scoring rubric. 10 images have been selected, and these relate to the theme and 10 quotes chosen. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Enjoy the rest of your day.